Okay. So speculation is haram. So options, all derivatives are haram for us. No question there. But if it's a stock in itself, a pure stock. Now you own a business. You have a business. You want to sell it to me. I want to buy your business from you. So that's equity. I'm buying equity. Okay. So I can't say that buying equity of a business is haram. It's not. If you want to sell the business, I want to buy the business. We can agree, we can do a valuation of the business, and I can buy that business from you. You're telling me my ownership, based on the valuation, my ownership of this business is 100 million. Do you agree? I give you the information. I evaluate. We agree, we buy. I buy, you sell. So buying equity is not haram. I don't want you to mix it up. Okay. It's the capital markets. The haziness comes in the capital markets, because now, did you see the Colombo Stock Exchange rally these days? The price is rallied right opposite the currency. Then you know, no, something is off. So in the stock market, what you can do is, if you have a stock, right? Let's say today Dialog Gashiata that stock is at what at the moment today. So this is 1 day, okay? 1 day's stock price. This is 9 a.m. This is 12 noon, and this is 2 p.m. or let's say close, so let's say 3 p.m. Now, what happens is, in the morning, 7 a.m. news, right? I hold a set of stocks at 100 rupees. In the morning, I have a very efficient marketing engine with me. So in the morning, I launch a news saying what Dialog 5G infrastructure is likely to get TRC approval first. Okay, this fake news. It's fake. But I launched this. Now, it's likely, no, I didn't say it was going to happen. It's likely to get. Now, by the time 9 a.m. is hit, Asian Security, NDB Investment, Capital Alliance, Asia Holdings, you know, our stockbrokers and analysts. What these guys come to office, and these what they do is they analyze all this. They cover various stocks. Then they look at the news and all that to see, oh my God, 5G, right? They see if it's an efficient market engine, then these sources can come from verified sources. Then you see, oh, okay, this news, Lanka BR magazine says this one. Now what happens is, the market creates a bit of a vibe into this. So by the time market opens itself, the price is now at a, right, the price, you won't see this, you will see it in a gray line, but then after the market opens, the price the open price is here. So now this news is getting circulated. When it's getting circulated, people are thinking, oh my God, 5G technology, this is a beautiful thing, blah 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 blah. By the time it's 12, this is going up. Okay, now what do short sellers do at this point? Now, this is mostly, this kind of thing is done by short traders. It's illegal, huh? But it happens on a daily basis, like everywhere it happens. What they do is, if they had 30,000 stocks, they don't retain, they don't give up all of it, but using a 10,000 stock, okay, 10,000, they have a portion, they sell it at this price. Okay, so now it was 100 and let's say 108 rupees. So for every share, for 10,000 shares, 10,000 into 8, 80,000 rupees, you make a profit. Then the market starts hearing, the journalist starts verifying, and news starts coming saying this was a fake news. Okay, and the price starts correcting itself. Demand drops, right? Sometimes it can go even lower. Okay, now what happens? The same traders, right? The same traders, they buy it again. at, let's say, sometimes 98. On a single day, you made a what, 8 and a 2 rupee saving. They are 10 into 10,000, 100,000 benefit, net gain by shorting a stock. Right? Now, tell me, you tell me, if something like this, okay, is halal or haram?
It's
Haram.
not right.
It's not right, no? Right? Like,
No.
well, halal haram is just
It's
Arabic
not
for
ethical.
what is right and what is wrong. So whatever religion or whatever you belong to, it doesn't matter. Now this is wrong. Okay. So in an ideal world where the capital, I'm not blaming capital markets. Capital markets have saved thousands and thousands of students. Student loans have been facilitated. So many people have benefited from. Okay, people who don't have the money, who can do more with, if they had money, have access to capital, so they actually go there, right? but but this is what is happening. So that's the thing. I can't tell you equity trading is haram. Equity trading is wrong. Go and you buy a stock at the fair value. Okay, you buy the stock at fair value. I can't say that it's sorry, it's haram, but something that enables this kind of thing. Now, if you actually look at the capital, the Colombo Stock Exchange, what is going on right now, this is bullshit. Okay. And I did a white paper when I was at AMBA. I did a white paper on the 2008 financial crisis, and we did a detail. We wrote a, not just me, our entire